Are you wondering how to convert your or create a video from your blog post or an article? Then you're in the right video. Hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel, and in this video we are going to convert our blog URL or article URL or even a landing page URL to a video in one click using two AI tool, which we are going to cover in this video. So if this particular thing interests you, then keep watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do click that red button because you are going to be amazed by the content we are going to upload in upcoming days. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do is you need a two tool URL, which I have pasted in the description box. So just go there and just open that URL and you will be good to go and be able to practice with me. So keep your URL ready first and then open these two tools and we will compare them one by one. So first we will use Vidon.ai. So Vidon.ai is configured with the SEMrush, so I use the SEMrush. If you don't, then go to getsemrush.com and there you will be able to find this particular tool. So from there I have got to know this particular awesome tool here. So what you need to do is go to vidon.ai and there you will be able to create a demo video using your free email and you will be good to go. There you will see a template like that, and before that let me just browse an article from my blog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my blog and see which blog I want to convert to the video. Okay, so there are many blogs out there, so I just want to convert this particular blog to the video, the 10 actionable affiliate marketing tips. So what I'm going to do is here you have a different option. As you can see, the video templates out there and the interface is very neat and you don't need to be expert in this particular sense. And as you can see, video templates, there are multiple out there, but in this video we are going to cover only how to convert my article using a URL to the video. So here it is says the generated from the URL, so obviously we needed that. Just paste that particular blog link there and click on next. So it will take some time. As you can see, the loading takes some time depending on your article's depth. So let the AI tool works and see how it can actually help your
actionable affiliate marketing tips. Reap the benefits and avoid the pitfalls. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. It requires minimal effort, and even beginners can start making money in no time. Here's how to get started with affiliate marketing today. Want to learn more? Read the full article.
So there you go. It's just create a teaser of your article. So if you have a Facebook page with a good following, even if you have a Instagram or a LinkedIn page, what you can do is you can just download this particular teaser and there just input the link in the description there and you will be amazed by the CTR you are going to get afterwards. So here is a very neat interface, and on the right side you see this particular interface. There is a title and the slide it uses my slide, which I think is best, and this is the text, and you can also modify this text just clicking on and add anything to it, so you will be good to go. And this is what it is about the branding, and here you can add or customize everything. If I click on a setting part here, as you can see, the color is the orangish, which I don't want because it has adapted from my blog itself, so you don't have to add any color manually using Vidon.ai. What I like about Vidon.ai is about its simplicity and the template of video, which gives you very neat information. It doesn't look like someone, or it doesn't look like AI created that, because most of the time AI content or AI tools sound so robotic, but I don't think it does in this particular sense. So we will be exploring that part. So if I go to this here and change the color of the background, so it looks very neat. So I think that's it. And if you want to add some more, just type / here and you will be able to add a heading to it, text to it, image to it, CTA to it, quote and list. So this particular method is only about creating a teaser of your article, which is, I think, serves the purpose. But if you are going to upload that on the YouTube, then I don't think this particular template will be good for you. But you can customize that however you want. Just add a title to it, add a CTA to it, add a quote to it, and you will see every templates whenever you mouse over it. If there's a list, there's a template attached to it, like here. So this is a list block and you need to add item to it and let the AI tool works for you. So this is just the teaser, and there's also a more option to it. And if you click on the face, so I have added my face to it. As you can see, this is being uploaded by me, but if you are not comfortable with your face, you can actually replace by the avatars they already has. So if you are not comfortable, like here, like here, it sounds like I'm talking in this particular video, and this is a personalization to it, like really that particular brand is promoting that particular article on their page. So if you click on the voice, you can change the voice however you want, because they have the endless list of voice in endless list of languages. So if you are from the India, Hindi, and if you are from the Netherlands, so there's a touch to it, and there's an accent to it, there's a male and female option. So just go ahead. There's also a pitch and speed options also. And if we click on the style, the branding itself is being taken from your particular blog or a website, so you won't be able to have stress how much it affects your particular video, so you don't have to add it manually. So here, obviously the font will be taken from your website, the color will be taken from your website automatically. So there it is. And the music, you can add any music to it. Even if you have your own music, you can just upload that right away and you will be good to go. And now there is the export video option, and for that export you need to sign up for this particular tool. So let's go into the Vidon.ai again. Let me just log in with my ID. So there it is. If I click on the back here, and there it is. So if I compare the pricing, or I will say the pricing of it, as you can see, if I click on the upgrade account, and there is a pricing of $24 per month. Actually it seems fine, but the video credit is only 4. That is also the up to 10 minutes, I think. So video credits is up to 4, so you can only create only 4 video per month, which I think is very costly if we compare to the competitors tool. But what I like about this particular tool is its templates. Its template is so good and so minimalistic and so engaging that none of the competitor has. So if you want to break the pocket, just sign up any of the account here, and if you like the whole template of it, just go ahead. I will be reviewing this particular tool in upcoming days, so we will be going to that in dig deeper. But in this particular blog, it's only about converting your article to the video. So that's about the Vidon. If you like this till now, just click the like button, and if you want to sign up for this particular tool, there you go. You can just break the bank and start creating video from your URL. So I think that's it about it. But obviously, if you need to create a more lengthy video, you can also do that with the help of how-to section. If you click on this, there is a different types of templates available. Like here, as you can see, explain the problem. It covers entirely up based upon that. So that's it. So moving forward to the next tool, which is Pictory.ai. Pictory.ai is very popular in this particular field, and you must have known or must have watched so many videos about it. That's what we are going to cover in this particular video. So if you click sign up for the free account, you will land here and you will see the 4 types of templates just right there. First is script to video. If you have a script, so you have already watched that, the people actually explaining about creating a video using a script from the ChatGPT to the video, just like here. So obviously the outcome is not that much appealing, but let's keep that aside. So there is this article to video. That's where we are going to paste our URL, and we click on the proceed, and let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes and so in the next, you will be asked to select a template, as you can see here. So the template is not that appealing as of Vidon.ai, but the thing is, you will be amazed by the different types of sets they already have. Obviously they don't synchronize with the font of your website or color of your website, so you need to add that later manually. So if you just click on it, and you will be asked whether aspect ratio you want to choose. So I will be choosing the 16:9 because I want to use it for the YouTube. So it just depend on your particular campaign. So it will take some time to generate an article. Like here you go. So these are created different scenes, as you can see here, and that's how you are going to navigate, like here, right? And the estimate video duration will be this. So to preview it, just click on the preview. You will be able to see the preview of the video. Let's see how it is. Okay, that's it. So now what we are going to do is, obviously there is so many things that is missing, like the background of this particular page, and there's the background of this particular page. So you have to edit that, or it will be added automatically whenever you mouse over it. So it will start analyzing that particular slide and it will be added later. So it doesn't, so just wait for it. You will be able to get or edit everything. So in the left side, as you can see, there's the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, so down to this scene 27 to the conclusion part. And there is a visual, and the visual is, you have a library of stock videos or photos, so you can just search for it. If I click on the affiliate marketing, and there's a plethora of templates available for at your disposal to add it anywhere. Like if I want to add here, what is affiliate marketing, I want to add this particular template, so there you go. Don't worry, the story blocks or watermark will be removed once you download that, so you don't have to care about this. So if we click on this, as you can see, the affiliate marketing is a great way to earn this. And for that part, we will add everything just like this, and there you go. So it is such a great way to add such graphics into your video. So there's a texture, or there's a your library here, and there's a recent you have used on your video. So this is about the visuals, you can easily add that. And there is elements. So elements is, you can add stickers to it, you can add gifs to it, you can add emojis to your videos. So for example, if I want to add an emoji to here, so you can just add or rotate anywhere you want, just like that. You can resize that just like this, there you go. So you can add gifs to it. If you are, obviously if you add some gifs to it, like a meme gifs or something like that, that will engage your user more. So there's a sticker, so these are ready-made stickers you can add, so that's only depend on you. So there is an audio part, and in the audio part you need to add a voiceover, obviously, just like the Vidon.ai. And here you have various speakers available from the US English, UK English, and Indian English, Australian English, New Zealand, and there you go. So you can also check the region just like here. And if you want a mail, you can filter that out just like this. I want a mail to it, and I will add this. So here is my upload. If you want to add your own voiceover, you can easily do that. And there's a recent, obviously if you are making more 1 or 2 or 3 videos, you need to see which voice we have used, so you have a background or a history to it, you can easily do that. And there is a background music available, and you can easily add that with the help of 15,000 plus tracks. So you have everything sorted right here. And there is a text part, and there is a text part. If you want to add some heading to it, you can add a custom heading to any slide. Just click on the slides and you will be able to add a custom heading to it. And there is a styles, so styles are available, like intro style. You have a different intro style like here, and if you want a label to it, just which is already shown on the video. And there's the ultra style, so you can easily customize that the way you like to be on your video. So there is a my styles. If you have some specific styles, you can easily add that as a preset like you do on Adobe Premiere. And there's a styles library, you can add or edit any styles using this particular library. And there is a branding. Obviously if you want to add your own logo, you have to use this branding, like on the intro part, or let me just delete all this. Yeah, you can easily add a intro to it just like that, and your logo will be here. I think it's very good to add an intro, tell them who you are and what are your brand or something like that. You can easily add that, just replace that particular logo and your logo will be here. So there is a scene, obviously you have a scene there. If you want to add a branding to it, like a logo to it, you can easily upload your logo. Obviously you can also enable the outro part, and there is the outro which a user will be seen at the end of the video. So there is a format, you can easily change the format afterwards also. If you have completed a video and you also want to download it for the social media or some other aspect ratio, you can easily create that, and also optimize generated video for the size. So for that, your output file will be really good. And if you click on the generate, you will be asked if you want a video or a spreadsheet for social media post or a social media video post for the Hootsuite. So if you have a Hootsuite account for social media, then you can easily export that using this particular button. So that's about it. That's how you can easily convert your article to the video using these particular tools. And if we see the pricing of Pictory, it's very low if we compare to the Vidon.ai. And as you can see here, there's only $19 per month, and you will get 30 video credits, which should be up to 10 minutes of length. So that's it. If you like this particular tool, you can just go ahead, break your bank and buy that, and you will be able to 30 videos per month, obviously up to 10 minutes of text to video. So that's about it. If you have learned something from this video, you have a like button, and if you want to learn much more about digital marketing, SEO, backlinking and much more, you should subscribe to the channel, because you are going to be amazed by the stuff we are going to upload in this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.